to another episode with Chef D, Wade, and today, yes sir, today, it's been 35 days with this prime ribeye loin, and we are gonna cut into it and do a comparison today. So what we're gonna do today is, we're gonna compare two steaks. We're gonna compare a dry-aged ribeye to a regular ribeye. We're gonna see if our friends that's coming over tonight are gonna notice a difference or not. Stay tuned and watch this. Chef D, Wade. Recently, I posted a picture on my Chef D Wade Instagram page of this dry-aged ribeye. And I've gotten all kind of messages in my inbox asking me, did you really dry-age a steak at home? And if so, how? So I'm gonna tell you how. I purchased these umami dry-aged bags off Amazon for about 32 bucks. And it literally was very simple. What I did was I took the loin as it came in the package it came in. I washed it really good with some water and soap, dried it off really well, laid out some foil paper, cut the bag open, and tried not to touch it at all. I literally took my umami dry-aged bag and I transferred it from the bag that it came in to the umami dry-aged bag. And they gave me some materials to vacuum seal the bag shut. Of course, the vacuum seal for this bag won't completely seal tightly, but the uniqueness in this umami dry-aged bag is it allows air to escape but not to come in. So from there, I placed this on a cooling rack in my fridge for 35 days, and it was just that simple. This is where the true test begins. On the left, you have your choice ribeye steaks, and on the right, you have your beautiful 35-day dry-aged steaks. My cutting skills weren't the best as far as getting them all equal in size, but that's okay. We're going to enjoy them anyway. We want to see if our friends can taste the difference between a regular choice ribeye steak and a dry-aged steak. We're going to get these guys ready for our sous vide. We're going to season it with black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Put them in our sous vide bags, vacuum seal them shut. Throw them in our sous vide at 135 degrees for 2.5 hours. So, welcome back, guys. We got the steaks out of the sous vide. We got some family here hanging out with us today to try some of this. Right now, we're gonna take the steak, come down here, we're gonna pat them dry. We're gonna go outside, get a good sear on it, and then we'll eat. So. Yes. 2.5 minutes. We're gonna flip these babies. Come on, look good. Yeah. All right, welcome back, guys. Check this out. We have a feast here. We got some corn off the grill. That's just a little extra side. We got some fries that's still getting done in the oven. We got our steaks. You guys know what's going on, but they don't know yet. Got our salad that my wife put together. Trenton Hoggart, the man. I'll give everybody a chance to say what they want to say afterwards about what they think. Mama Kelly, call her Mama Kelly. Our pizza. Robo. Robbie.
Me.
You guys remember this guy, Chuck Gerswin, and his lovely wife, Lindy Gerswin. All right, so look, we're going to get started. First, I'll tell you guys, this is going to be considered A. Well, hold on, how about this? 1, 2, and 3 is considered A. Now, as you guys can see this, I like mine medium rare. Some of these cook over because my grill got so hot outside, and I cooked some of them over. But the ones I got some of them right where I want them though, so like that one right there, That's right. My favorite. All right, you guys can start anywhere. You're gonna say 1 or 2. Which one's your favorite and why?
What's 1 or 2? 1, 2.
Okay, so this is considered 1. This is considered 1. This is considered 1. These are considered 2.
Okay.
All right, y'all got me.
No.
This is 2.
1.
So 1, 1, and 1.
1, 2, 1, 1, 2.
Yes, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2.
Right.
But this is like your almost mid well. This is like close to well. This is your perfect medium steak. So help yourself with whichever one you want to try with, and I want to get y'all feedback on it.
Okay.
You gotta try one.
1, 2.
No, you have to try one everything. You can try any one of the ones and any
Can
one
I
of the
try
twos.
all of it?
If you want to, yeah, of course.
One of the ones, Robbie.
Because we're gonna eat all of it anyway.
Yeah, we
Okay.
Which one you
I'm
want?
eating 1.
So I'll try
Chuck,
perfect.
You got me 1?
Alright.
Thank you.
And then
Yeah,
I
I'll
need a
try
number
one of
2.
these.
Oh yeah,
This is
that's
a-
another one as well. So I want you to get a 2.
How does it taste, Lindy?
1, 2.
That's another one.
Amazing.
It's a 2.
I want you to get a 2
Amazing.
as well.
Lindy just ate
That's
number
1.
1. She just
Okay,
ate number
number
1.
1 so
Tell me-
far. I need a
okay.
number 2, Rob, right
This is number 2.
there. I need
Lindy
a
thinks
2,
number
Chuck.
1 is amazing. Chuck.
It's okay. We like
Number
both
2?
of them, right? Don't we like both of them?
You
Perfect.
can't like both of them, but you gotta pick 1 or 2. And
I
why?
need to taste 2 so I can.
Yeah,
No.
Okay.
it's part of the overcooked grill.
That's great.
Okay.
You, huh?
How does it taste, Kelly?
That's one. This
Hold
is
on.
I see
What
Kelly's.
is this one?
That's 1.
That's pretty fabulous.
How does it
Okay.
taste, Trenton?
That's great.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
It melts in my mouth.
Oh,
Mm.
I love it. I love it.
So then I think this is 2.
This is
Robbie?
I like number 2, but I haven't had number 1 yet.
Okay.
Oh,
Temperature.
all right. Yeah.
It's the way I like it. Flavor profile.
Okay.
Very good.
I'll tell you what's
Yeah.
on it. You like that?
Yeah.
Is that 1?
Yeah.
Hands down 1, huh? All right. So everybody had the 1 already, and the 2, right? We have thoughts on 2.
I
2?
like the 2.
I like 2.
Yeah.
I like the
I would
2.
be
like
proud
I like
if
the
I
one
could
better.
2 at
Lindy?
home, but 1 is better.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So
2 is like here. My normal level's here.
Yeah.
2 is already here.
I got you. All right. So I'm gonna tell you guys what it is. Yo, you gotta try it. You want to try it? Yes.
Later.
Later.
Yes.
Oh, all right. So
thank you.
1 and 2. You guys know I did an experiment, dry aging experiment. I did 35 days dry age ribeye, and that was 1. That was 35 days dry age.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty. I hadn't even had it yet, so I don't even know what it tastes like. So I'm excited to try it.
You're not gonna like it. But it
I actually put
Just let us
two
take
more
care
cuts
of
in the freezer too as well of this. I just froze. We also have 2 is just your regular basic choice ribeye. Just normal like base level choice
So
grade.
good.
Just a little marbling. Just to see how sous vide will probably make it tender.
Yeah.
Because sous vide is supposed to be used to make the meat tender as well, no matter if it's prime or choice. That's literally like a $10 piece of steak. That number
that
2
you
is.
bought recently.
Yes, and number 1
It's
is like
so good.
like twice, 2-3 times that amount.
Been a month in work.
Yes.
A month in
I
burn.
had no problem putting
The lights
that
may
down.
go out tonight, but
Yes, exactly, exactly. But
Fat is better than number 2 meat.
I gotta tell you this. I know I left, but the dry aged steak, the fat on this thing, oh my goodness,
Come
it's
on, brother.
literally melting in my mouth.
come on.
It's unreal. Look at the picture right here. As you can see in this picture here, that fat felt real different, and I see why, because it literally just falls apart as I oh my. Like butter. My goodness. If you hadn't done this before, you should do it. So good.
Start
Oh.
tonight. Start tonight.
Start tonight.
Robbie.
Chef D-Way says.
Thank you guys. Start tonight. That's so hey, we're gonna actually continue to eat. We got some more fries in the oven that needs to finish up. We didn't want to wait on that. We got the corn as well and the salad. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you hadn't seen any of our other videos, check it out. You'll see it on the screen here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Chef D-Way. We out.